Wow. Well, I'm back. I'm here, or whatever to say. COVID is serious, and I mean it's serious, you know. One idiot say COVID not out here. What a dummy he was, though, you know. I mean, COVID-19 is serious, y'all. I haven't heard COVID in 5 months. My cousin-in-law has COVID, you know. Oh, Allah. Oh, no. Cause like they say, that's serious, y'all. That is totally serious. COVID is very serious. Okay, y'all pray for my cousin Richard that he get better. He's under the weather. He got COVID. They say, you know. Damn. I know I shouldn't broadcast that, but you know what? I was thinking about going to Zulu this year. You know, go to the Zulu parade. If I do go out there, I might as well wear my mask. You know, because I want to go out there and video things. You know, film the parades and stuff like that. You know, film the marching bands and stuff like that. That's what I wanted to do. You know. That's exactly what I wanted to do, y'all. Well, if I do go out there, I might as well wear my mask, you know, because you know this is serious, y'all. Okay, and I'm surprised I'm not titling this video, you know. So I want to let y'all know, y'all, be careful out there, okay? Please be careful, all right? Because this is very serious, okay? So if I do go out there, I might as well wear my mask, you know. I might as well wear my mask if I have a plan on going out there, you know. Okay. Yep. All right. So anyway, y'all. With this said and done, you know, this is very serious and everything, you know. Okay. So this thing ain't going nowhere. It's like the flu, I assume, you know. Excuse me. Okay. Thank God I feel all right, you know. So if you're going to the parades, be careful out there, ladies and gentlemen, please, okay? Because this is a bad statistic for this disease. Statistically bad, I assume. Okay, you know. All right, so that's all I'm gonna say for right now. Okay. All right, that's it. All right, see ya.